it's your girl Elle, and I'm finally here with another video that I promise to God will be posted. Look, my glasses they're not tight, y'all. I promise you my glasses are not suffocating me, but they like put these marks on my face. So I'm gonna take them off for now, but I will need them if I need to read something because your girl is blind. So it's Sunday, October. What is the date? It is October. I really don't know the date. Oh, it gotta be October 10th. Cameron, what's today's date? What's today's date? Yep, okay, so it's October 10th. It's Sunday, and I am about to start making dinner. We're gonna have some fried chicken, some mac and cheese, some cornbread, and some greens for our vegetable. And this boy, he's lit right already. So I'm about to start cooking. I have the noodles on. It's only me and Cam, so I just make a small pot of stuff. I've learned to make small pots because I be cooking like I have a whole household full of people, which I don't, which is great. Okay, and then I'm using just a small bowl, some box cornbread. Okay, you guys, so we have our drained noodles right here. Boom, so you guys can see what I'm doing. Here's the mac and cheese. I left a little bit of pasta water in there, right? The cheese we're gonna be using. Actually, hold on. If they fit, oh my god. Cheese real quick to mix the noodles in. Nothing fancy. I'm putting that was probably 1 tablespoon of butter, unsalted butter. you guys, I literally just poured this in little circular pans so I could put it in the oven. I'm gonna put some heavy whipping cream on the noodles. We're gonna take some cheddar. We like our mac and cheese super cheesy but not super salty, so that's why we use unsalted butter and just lightly salted the water for the pasta. And put some mozzarella on top. And then we're just, I literally was thinking like, something not right. Let me check this can, and it said like pork fat, ham fat, this, that, pig. And we don't, well, I don't. Hey guys, so I'm about to get ready to start frying the chicken. First thing I'm gonna do is heat up some canola oil, whatever type of cooking oil you guys have. I have canola oil. I'm not deep frying it, so that's like enough, I think. Just drizzling some honey. So I did have the chicken sitting in some buttermilk, some hot sauce, and a little bit of seasonings. That buttermilk really does help your chicken stay juicy. So I definitely want you guys to consider, if you're making chicken, make sure you let it sit in something, a nice marinade or buttermilk, and it'll really help that chicken stay moist. And I'm gonna let those click, and then we're gonna and sit so far. More to go. I'm about to take that out. Guys, here is our dinner. It's almost 5 o'clock and I just got done cooking just in time. Cameron's gonna eat in a couple hours. This is my first meal today, so I'm gonna taste it on camera really quick. Okay, so I still have some chicken, 2 pieces of chicken cooking over there, so we're gonna make this fast. Let me see my grapes really quick. Okay, first, I'm gonna go ahead and taste the mac and cheese because I've been eyeing this. And it's so cheesy, look. It's hot. That's good. I showed you guys like a little cheese pool. I don't know why I'm eating with a spoon, y'all. Y'all seen me today. I do know why. For my vegetables. I'm gonna try this cornbread. I'm gonna get Cameron's reaction later too. I don't think that the chicken needs hot sauce, but I love hot sauce. And I guess now I do have to grab a fork. It's crispy, y'all. And if you know me, you know I like my stuff nice and crispy. It's chicken thighs. All right. Of course it's delicious. And juicy. Guys, so dinner was really good. Cameron has not eaten yet, but I really want to just go ahead and get this video out. Cameron loves chicken and mac and cheese, so I don't know if I'm gonna wait for his reaction because I'm kind of in the zone and I just want to post the video. I'm already halfway done editing it. It's not the burps. I just want to come in really quick and just tell you guys how delicious the meal was. It was really good. Now I'm just finishing this paper. I have 2 more pages to go. It is 6:27 and I have about 1 hour and 30 minutes left to submit this paper. And I'm watching the series Made on Netflix. I'm waiting for my friend to get here, and I'm hoping that he doesn't get here until I'm done with everything, or nobody's getting in my home. No, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my social medias, which will be down in the description box below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in another video, because you guys are not getting Cameron's reaction to this video. Maybe I'll put it at the beginning of my next video.